These are 8 top stocks in after hours with big percentage gains. While watching bullish after hours price actions, let us inform you our review on SURG. SurgePays Incorporated just dropped an earnings report packed with big moves. Focused on mobile broadband and financial tech for underserved communities, they're projecting over $200 million in revenue for the next year and aiming for positive cash flow by late 2025. They've completed integration with AT&T for 4G per 5G, launched LinkUp Mobile, expanded into wholesale wireless, and seen prepaid wireless top-up revenue soar 400% in early 2024. Despite a $45.7 million net loss, management is confident their investments will fuel growth. With scaling efforts in motion, 2025 could be a breakout year. Investors are watching closely as SurgePays moves into its next growth phase. Our review on AQB. AquaBounty Technologies just made some serious waves after hours, jumping 74%, and investors are taking notice. This company is all about land-based aquaculture, using cutting-edge tech to raise fish in controlled environments, reducing disease risks and protecting wild populations. The sudden spike suggests some major excitement, though details on what's driving it aren't immediately clear. Could be speculation, could be news brewing in the background. Either way, a move this big after hours usually signals strong momentum or a potential catalyst on the horizon. With its focus on sustainable fish farming and next-gen aquaculture, AquaBounty is in a unique space, and if this rally holds into regular trading, we might be looking at a big shift in investor sentiment. Definitely one to watch. Our review on THTX. Theratechnologies just scored FDA approval for Agrifta WR, a new, more convenient version of its tesamorelin injection for HIV-related lipodystrophy. This upgrade simplifies dosing, improving patient experience, and potentially boosting adoption. For investors, this strengthens Theratechnologies' position in the HIV treatment market with the potential for increased sales. With a growing pipeline in oncology and NASH, the company is making strategic moves that could drive long-term growth. Our review on CISO. CISO Global is making strategic financial moves to strengthen its position, and investors seem to like what they see. The cybersecurity and compliance company just paid off its highest interest loans, a smart decision that reduces its debt burden and frees up capital for future growth. At the same time, it secured extensions on $7 million in convertible notes, giving it more flexibility to navigate expansion without immediate financial pressure. In an industry where trust and stability are everything, this kind of financial discipline matters. CISO Global provides a full suite of cybersecurity services, from 24/7 threat monitoring to compliance consulting and security testing. By improving its balance sheet, the company is not just cutting costs, it's reinforcing its foundation for long-term growth. With cybersecurity becoming an even bigger priority for businesses worldwide, CISO Global's ability to manage both security threats and its financial health makes it a name to watch. Our review on SFHG. Samfine Creation Holdings Group Ltd operates in the printing industry, specializing in a wide range of products, including children's books, educational books, art books, notebooks, diaries, and even specialized packaging products like handcrafted book sets and pop-up books. They're not just about mass-market printing. Their focus is on high-quality, custom printing, which makes them stand out in a digital-heavy world. They also create items like shopping bags and package boxes, bringing that same premium touch to the packaging sector. For investors, the key here is understanding the balance between the traditional print business and the growing demand for digital alternatives. While print media is facing challenges due to digitalization, there's still a strong niche market for well-crafted printed products, especially in areas like educational materials and luxury packaging. If Samfine can continue to innovate and streamline production, there's a good chance they could maintain solid growth by tapping into these specialized markets. Our review on UPC. Universe Pharmaceuticals Inc. is a China-based company that specializes in the manufacturing and distribution of traditional Chinese medicine derivatives, TCMD, with a strong focus on catering to the elderly population. Their product offerings include a wide range of chronic condition treatments, cold and flu medications, and dietary supplements, many of which are manufactured by third-party pharmaceutical companies. Some of their popular products include Gubin Yanling Pill, Shinrong Weixing Pill, and Fengshatong medicinal liquor. For investors, there's potential here, especially with the increasing aging population in China, which drives demand for these kinds of traditional remedies. The company's products are sold mainly through pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, clinics, and drugstore chains across China, making it well-positioned in a growing market. However, it's important to note that the company's success is closely tied to the Chinese market, and any changes in government regulations or shifts in consumer health trends could impact their stock performance. Overall, if the market continues to embrace traditional Chinese medicine, Universe Pharmaceuticals could be a company to watch. Our review on PLRZ. Polyrizon Ltd is an Israeli biotech company that's made waves with its intranasal hydrogel technology, which forms a protective barrier in the nasal cavity to shield against viruses and allergens. Now they're taking it a step further by entering the epilepsy space. They recently announced the start of preclinical studies for intranasal benzodiazepines, a first-line treatment for acute repetitive seizures and status epilepticus. This is big news since current treatments often come with side effects, and Polyrizon's delivery platform could offer a faster, safer, and more accessible solution for managing seizures outside of hospitals. With epilepsy affecting millions globally and the market for acute seizure treatments expected to grow rapidly, Polyrizon's new venture has potential for long-term growth. Investors should watch closely as the studies progress, as the stock could react to these developments. Our review on PTPI. Petros Pharmaceuticals Inc. focuses on expanding access to medications, especially for men's health. Their key product, Stendra, is a prescription ED treatment, and they're working on making it available over the counter, OTC, which could be a big deal. Stendra works quickly, around 15 minutes, and can be taken with or without food. If they succeed in getting OTC approval, it could open up the market to millions more men. Beyond pills, the company also offers ED treatment devices like the Osbon Aricade and Postivac systems. Investors are watching closely as the potential OTC shift could significantly impact their growth and stock performance. Keep an eye on this one as it unfolds. Please subscribe, give the video a like, and watch more from our playlist. Thanks.